We're in beautiful Wilmington, North Carolina, home of Southern Sign Company. We're learning that every sign company has a unique personality. Southern Signs is definitely no exception.
Yeah, here at Southern Sign Company, I think our why, our motivation, and for everything we do is to help and support the American spirit, because we are such a business-to-business operation. We see people from the infancy of their ideas, and helping that come to fruition is always really rewarding.
We've had some clients since 2004 when we opened up that really when they started was just like us. It was just starting out small, and then over the last 16 years to see what they've created and built is inspirational, and something that one of the things we both enjoy.
Well, I think it's one of the things that really does make our business unique, and if you read people's Google reviews or talk to some of our clients, I think you'll find that they appreciate the fact that we are really interested in them being successful. And part of that is getting to know their business, getting to know them as people, what motivates them, what's important to them, and trying to support that with their visual image branding, and help them to grow and achieve the vision that they have for their own business.
They treat you like family. I've been in there several times, and after the second time, they knew my name. They know me when I'm driving up. They're careful to take care of my stuff, and they've just treated me really well.
I feel like we basically, when we have a client, we're investing in their business as much as they are.
A lot of opportunities come from helping the kid with the skateboard graphics, and now the parents are appreciative of that, right? And now Dad's president of the HOA, and we end up doing neighborhood signs.
You never know what something can lead to.
You can easily quantify when you're ready, and for us it was just the more time we were spending renting equipment to help facilitate what we needed, the loss of hands in the shop because installations required this many more people on site, and as a smaller business you can't always afford to have everybody out doing that. So essentially we purchased another employee, right, that's going to help with hands in the field in a safe, competent way.
We were doing more and more installation jobs that required a boom lift, and we had been, and Andrea especially, had been kind of looking at van ladder over the last, 10 years or so, and when you guys came out with your new model, we were like, that's it.
I think that part was really fun when Dave was here, was just watching our team look at all of the capabilities of this thing, right? Because they trust that we're doing the behind the scenes research and we're going to make choices that are going to benefit the company. But of course there's always naysayers and skeptics. And the more they saw what this van was capable of, the storage capacities, everything that's been thought out already from Van Ladder that helps our industry, it was really fun to watch them, don't you think? Because it was like, and now it can do this, and now it can do this, and watch this, and now you can store this, and this is here. And they were like, okay, they were buying in by the minute.
Oh, it's working out super. Makes life easier.
Getting over awnings is no longer a challenge, which is huge for us. So when parking's tight and you're trying to fit in somewhere to get in and out with a job, this was a great piece of equipment that allows us to do just that. And
the versatility and the flexibility that it has with all of the little gadgets and stuff to help you perform an installation project more efficiently is also brilliant.
I will also throw in that we were able to up our Christmas light game at home with the use of the van ladder. So a little outside the box, but we had some pretty great lights thanks to that thing.